Assalamualaikum guys, today 20 August and I am going to share with you now Hamster Combat daily Cipher morse code. So I have already posted this code in my Telegram channel. If you don't join it, then join first and you will get authentic airdrop from my channel and also get update from my channel first. So today daily Cipher code is play. So you know that very well that you will have to remind this code properly or write down it so that you put your code properly, otherwise you will don't get your reward point. So let's go now Hamster Combat homepage and I will put this code properly and you can follow my instruction. I am here now. Now I click on daily Cipher. So for p dot hash hash dot, for l dot hash dot, for a dot hash, for y hash dot hash hash. So now I correct the code and I will take the prize. That's it guys. If you like this video, then like, comment and share this video in your social account, and if you watch this video from Facebook, then follow my Facebook account. I will post it all about my details in this video on Facebook comment section, and I will also submit all of my details in this video on YouTube description box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.